What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Well, I think I'm gonna do a challenge today. It's called the Impossible Sneeze. And what you gotta do is you gotta sniff some pepper. I got some on the plate right now. And you gotta make yourself sneeze and keep your eyes open at the same time. So let's get started. Sound like I'm doing drugs. I'm not. Kind of feel it, but it's not coming right now. It's taking longer than I expected. Man, trying to make you sniff is kind of difficult, man. Oh man, damn, shit burns. I think I got it. Oh, this shit's burned. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get this stuff out of my nose. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, guys.